Narita Airport will be arriving soon on track number 2. Please stay behind the yellow line.